Mera Hong Chongba festival is celebrated in which state? Manipur. Lecanemab drug that was recently seen in news is used to treat which disease? Alzheimer's disease. Leyte Island that was recently seen in news is part of which country? Philippines. Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Goa. Which state government has launched the Maaji Ghar scheme in October 2025? Goa. India's first private sector helicopter final assembly line, FAL, has been unveiled in which state? Karnataka. Pulicat Lake that was recently seen in news spans across which two states? Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. World Post Day is observed annually on which day? October 9. Exercise Konkan 25 is conducted between India and which country? United Kingdom. Where was Arunachal Pradesh's first commercial coal mining project launched? Changlang District. International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO is a specialized agency of which international body? United Nations. Which organization developed the online National Drugs Licensing System portal? Center for Development of Advanced Computing. The Indian Radio Software Architecture Standard 1.0 was developed by which organization? DRDO. World Cerebral Palsy Day WCPD is observed annually on which day? October 6. The Subansiri Upper Hydroelectric Project is located in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Which city is the venue of the 8th session of the International Solar Alliance Assembly? New Delhi. Which government declared 2025 as the Year of Urban Development in October 2025? Gujarat. What is the theme of Manipur Global Buyers and Sellers Summit 2025? Bridging Business Sans Borders. National Telemental Health Program Telemanas was started by which ministry? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. What is the name of India's newest proposed research station in eastern Antarctica? Maitri 2. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, what is the current red list status of the green sea turtle, Chelonia midas? Least concern. Who have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics 2024? Joel Mokyr, Philippe Aghion, and Peter Howitt. World Standards Day is celebrated annually on which day? October 14. The new crop varieties Panth Urd 13, Panth Urd 14, Panth Mutter 554, and Panth Jaw 1106 were launched in which state? Uttarakhand. Which ministry launched the Live Cases Dashboard under the Legal Information Management and Briefing System, LIMS? Ministry of Law and Justice. Operation Chakra 5 was conducted by which organization to combat cyber crimes? Central Bureau of Investigation. Where was the 16th International Railway Equipment Exhibition 2025, Asia's largest railway exhibition, inaugurated? New Delhi. The United Nations International Day of Rural Women, IDRW, is observed every year on which day? October 15. The National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, NEERI, functions under which organization? CSIR. Which space organization launched the Punch space mission? NASA.
Thanks for watching. Comment your score. For more such like videos, please like, share, and subscribe.